It says here is to solve this equation by converting it to exponential form. Well, the first thing I do, I've got this 3 out in front, I'm going to divide by 3. The log base 2 of x then is negative 3. My base is 2. So x equals 2 to the negative 3. X equals 1 over 2 cubed, which is 1/8. And this actually is the exact answer to 4 decimal places. I would find out that that is 0.1250 as an exact answer. Solve this equation by converting it to exponential form, the exact and the approximate answer. So the first thing I would do is move the 7. So 4 ln of x equals, subtracting 7, equals 12. And the ln of x then would actually equal 3. So that's the exponent. And changing it to log form, x equals e cubed. This is the exact answer. And using my calculator, it comes out approximately e cubed is 20.08553. So it stays this. So we can want to convert it to exponential form. So first, I want to combine it. I have 2. Moving this to exponential form. I'm not going to actually do that. I'm going to show you a different way to do this. We have 1 log here. We have ln of x squared equals the ln of x plus 3 times x minus 1. Since these are added, it means the terms are multiplied. I remember that rule that said if the numbers are equal, then the logs are equal. So if these logs are equal, the other way works. That means x squared here equals x plus 3 times x minus 1. Or x squared equals, using FOIL here, x squared plus 2x and negative 1 plus 3x and negative 1x makes it 2x minus 3. Moving the x squared, they'll cancel out. X minus 3 equals 0. So 2x equals 3, and x equals 3 halves. Now when you're solving a log equation, one thing you want to check is to make sure that you're never finding the log of a negative. So 3x, not a negative. 3 halves is not a negative. 3 halves plus 3 is not a negative. 3 halves minus 1 would be 1/2, again, not a negative. So x equals 3 halves is a solution. Here's an application. At the end of the advertising campaign, the daily sales of Genapet fell rapidly. The daily sales given by S equals 3,000 times e to the negative 0.09x dollars, where x is the number of days at the end of the campaign. For how many days after the campaign ended were sales at least $1,980? So we want to know, let's find out when it equals $1,980. 3,000 e to the negative 0.09x. First thing I would do was divide by 3,000. This happens to go in evenly at 0.66 and stops. If it doesn't stop, just leave it. This is the fraction I need to divide. That equals e to the negative 0.09x. putting that in exponential form, that means the ln of 0.66, the base is e, equals the exponent, 0.09x. So x equals the ln of 0.66 divided by negative 0.09. And when I use my calculator, that's the exact, when I use my calculator, it comes out to 4.6168 days. This wasn't days. So it was at least 1,980 for 4 days, because by the 5th day, it's under that.